In case you're wondering why there's an Indian guy here cooking you tom yum spaghetti, you're not on the wrong channel. I spent about 20 years in Thailand. My mom's side of the family is from there. And I've spent a lot of time with Thai cuisine. Tom yum is one of the most popular flavor profiles. It can feel like a warm hug on a rainy day. And at the same time, it can feel like someone's slapping you across the face with chilies. That's how versatile it is. It is one of my favorite dishes. And who doesn't love tom yum? All right, step one of making tom yum spaghetti, sizzle up some prawns. Now that the butter is pretty much melted, we're going to add in our prawns. The best way to get prawns to be plump and like juicy is to soak them in lukewarm water and a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. Leave it in there for about 20 minutes. And once you've cooked your prawns, you'll see the difference. It's like super nice and juicy. Cook them on both sides. Just be careful not to burn the butter. As you bite into the pasta, you'll get sort of two layers of flavor. You have the garlicky butter prawns and you have the tom yum spaghetti. So in the same pan, we're going to add tom yum paste and a few other herbs. Stick to the same pan so you like absorb all that flavor into the spaghetti sauce. So on low to medium heat, we're going to add in tom yum paste, mash it down a little bit, top up a little bit of olive oil. I make my own pastes. I made this tom yum paste as well, but honestly, to make your lives easier, just go out and buy tom yum paste. You get it at all supermarkets. If you want a really legit Thai brand, go to Thai supermarket and get it there. If you'd like me to come back and make tom yum paste, comment down below and I'll come back and teach you. We're going to add in our herbs, some lemongrass, thinly sliced Kaffir lime leaf, chopped coriander, sliced red chilies. Spice is very subjective, especially in Singapore. The paste already kind of provides some spice and you have some sliced chilies as well. So we don't want to overcook this. We are going to add some water. It's going to deglaze the pan. So growing up in Thailand, I've tried tom yum in all shapes and forms. The most popular one, of course, is your tom yum soup. And then on the other spectrum, you have slightly more fusion tom yum dishes. I used to live in Chiang Mai and I had this at a particular cafe. This is amazing. It's so comforting. This ticks all the boxes. When I started Pad Thai in Singapore, I said that I have to recreate this and sell this. And it became one of my most popular dishes. So I hope you'll try it. There are two components to make this tom yum spaghetti super nice and creamy. One is, of course, coconut milk. Another one is thick cream. So this makes the sauce creamier and also coats the spaghetti really well. Our sauce is almost done. We just need to add sliced shiitake mushrooms. Mushrooms are quite an important component of tom yum. To loosen this sauce up, I'm going to add in a little bit of pasta water. If you've made your spaghetti beforehand and it's like clumpy, don't worry because it will soften up and like loosen up in the sauce. You can use other pastas in this, not necessary to just use spaghetti. It works great in like fusilli and penne, even linguine. This sauce thickens as you cook it. Once you're happy with the consistency and the amount of cream and sauce, take it off the heat and you're pretty much done. I've made so many iterations of this over the years to get it to where it is now. So please try it at home. And if you want me to come back and cook more Thai food for you, please comment down below. Cheers, krap. Alright.